So let's start this video. So the first thing is we have to get one block out here, extend its size, and then we have to put an empty block inside. For that, just make it hollow, put it inside, and again increase its size accordingly. Now all we have to do is we have to first bevel this up so that we can see some curves around our box, and then we can group it. Now just checking from the all sides, and we will group it. Now you can see we have got decent space inside our block. Now we will get one cylinder and put it in 90-degree angle and adjust its size according to a wheel, reduce its width and adjust accordingly to one of its wheel. Now you can just duplicate it and paste it on the rear wheel section, and here we will duplicate both of them together by pressing that shift key and selecting both of the wheels together, and then press Ctrl D and duplicate it and move it on the other side of the car, just like this. Now you can see our wheels are here on both of the sides. Now you can make some adjustments in our wheel so that they look quite realistic. And after adjusting the wheel, now it's time to start our work for our interior decoration, that is our steering wheel and some consoles. For that we will be quickly dragging a work plane vertically out here, and then we will drag one cylinder, and in the cylinder we will be reducing its size so that it should be look like a steering wheel. We can also make it hollow from inside so that it gives us quite a realistic view of our steering wheel. Here I've added some consoles also. Just adjust in the middle, and then you can group it. Now you can select both of the things together and group it. Now you can see a steering wheel is out here. Now adjust the size of the consoles according to your steering wheel because they should be of less size. This much looks fine to me. You can just duplicate now. Alright, so now let's make some part of the dashboard. So here we will be using one roof block and reduce its size so that it will look quite good here. Now the next part we will be making seats for our car. For that again we will be dragging one block. Again we will be, after resizing, we will be making some curves along its edges so that it will look like a cushion. Now you can just duplicate it and make it a backrest also from the same block. Let me make just few adjustments. After duplicating, you can make it at like a backrest also. Just like this. Now adjust the backrest according to the seat. And after adjusting, you can group both of them together. Now it looks fine to me. And here we will be grouping it together. Now it's ready to be installed in our car. Just move it inside the car, and now you can duplicate these seats and adjust accordingly. Now it's very simple to just copy and paste these seats wherever you like. So now you can add some basic details of your car, like the front portion, and you can also change the colors of these objects so that they will look more realistic to you. You can add headlights, or if you want to add some any sort of things you can do. It's completely up to your imagination. These colors look fine. Now let me add some cylindrical headlights also. Again, you can just a bit adjust them, and it looked fine. Just duplicate it and paste it on the other side also. Now that's look fine. You can add more decorative things, like you can add something on the back side of the car also. This star is fine, so I'll just drag my work plane and place one star out here. Resize the star according to the car. Adjust its position, and I'm gonna duplicate the star too. Now 3 stars look much better out here. Let's make a muffler for our hood. For that we can use this paraboloid shape. Rotate it, and we can just, after adjusting its size, we can submerge it into the hood. Now that's looked fine. Just adjust the hood, make sure that it's in the center position. And now your car is complete. So you can also add multiple details, like you can add rooftop and other stuff into your car. Okay, so that's it in this video. If you like, do subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss an update from Core Champs. Thank you and have a nice time, and enjoy your day and keep tinkering on Tinkercad.